Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to add custom fonts in Elementor Pro. And you may know about you cannot add it in your Elementor free plugin. You have to buy the Elementor Pro plugin to add the custom fonts, custom icons and custom code. And guys, I am going to import Google Fonts into my website through Elementor Pro plugin. So let's start, and first of all you have to click on Elementor and then custom fonts. After that you have to click on add new. So here you have to mention the name of the custom font. For example, I am going to add the channel name, and then you have to scroll below and then you have to click on add font variation. Wait a second, we do not have the fonts right now, so let's download it from the Google Fonts free. Click on this font and from there you have to click download family, and after that you have to click on this option and show in folder. Right click on it and extract here, yes to all, and then I am going to click on static, and these are the fonts, so I am going to import it one or two, and we have to make sure the type of the font TTF, and let's back to website, and from there you have to select the TTF font and upload it. You have to select the files static and you have to select these. So these are types are uploading into website. So now you can see they are all uploaded, and for now I am going to select the lightweight, this one, select TTF file, and from there you have to select the weight, for example normal 100, and then you have to select another variation. So from there I have to select TTF and then upload the bold one. The bold one is the this one, select it, and then you have to select the weight. For example, I am going to select 600, and style is also same. So two variations are added for the testing. Now I am going to click on publish. So our font is added into the Elementor. So as you can see the style there also. So now we have to open the page, and I am going to edit the about page and now edit with the Elementor. So as you can see, this is the template, and I am going to edit this text, and you have to go to style. So after that you have to click on typography, and you have to select the family from there, this one, as you can see there, and Elm Freak is added there already because we just added. Click on it, and as you can see the font family is changed, and we can also style other things like decoration, style, transform, weight, and as well as the size. So this is the same font we just added here. As you can see, Elementor is making the web beautiful. So guys, by this way you can add multiple custom fonts in Elementor, and you must have installed the Elementor Pro plugin to add it. And guys, if you import any Elementor kit, then you have to import the custom fonts again, and then it will automatically select from the page. And guys, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.